The Filament PET-G Lite Yellow. Many of you ask what Lite stands for. The simple answer is it's just more affordable. Okay, but what is the trade-off compared to the premium PET-G? Well, it is in the packaging, the box, the bag, that's one-time use. But that will be pretty much it, what you can see with the naked eye. We made a special compound to cut the price even more. But for the end user like you and me, it's just good PET-G. It prints nicely, doesn't clog, and it's not even stringy. Durable like any other PET-G. If you want to know the actual price of it, just click on the card here or in the description. If you look at the temperature tower, you can see that the shiny effect is present everywhere except 220 degrees Celsius. But I don't recommend printing at that low temperature due to the bad layer adhesion. I've seen the best results at 250 degrees Celsius. And the speed? Well, anything that is slower than 30 cubic millimeters per second will be okay. You can basically use the generic profile for PET-G and you will be just fine. The yellow color, it's bright, not warm, not cold, but neutral in my opinion. It fits nicely with the models that I choose for today. Firstly, the construction machines, the wheeled excavator combined with the black PET-G Lite from Filament of course, and Spectrum PLA silk aluminum silver for the details. Durability will be much better than PLA and flexibility will help to put the vehicle together. The same situation goes for this model of wheel loader, made by Fab365, you can find the links in the description down below. I love those models because they print without supports, they are easy to assemble and contain a lot of details like this engine in the back. Recently I found this forklift that fits to those two machines and of course black and yellow color. Guess what? The lift, it's working on many levels, up and down and tilting. Awesome, right? Talking about construction, you will probably need those cool carabiners for keys, some ropes or just accessories on a backpack. Joining yellow with black will give you these nice brand colors that are correlated to excavators. I've printed these small ones that are automatic and have holes for extras. And those big ones that have screw lock, so they will not open by accident. As you can see, they were printed with more walls to be more sturdy. Also, these small accents on the back gives the carabiner a super look in my opinion. But you need to glue it together, but it works. Coming to the next model, I found this box car 50 feet long in scale, of course, 1:64, and the yellow option in the original looks quite nice. I used pearl gray for the PLA on the top and the wooden PLA for the door. This is a part of a bigger project, so please subscribe so you won't miss the special episode. And the last of the yellow models are related to the upcoming Easter. So choosing the right yellow this time, our most dedicated viewers know exactly what I say that. I've printed those cute little chicks with lion orange beaks and legs, looking at us with the black PLA. They are just adorable and they have a second function to hide a small surprise for kids and everyone that likes candies or chocolate eggs. I bet you will print at least one of those this year. So yeah, there is a lot of eggs. As you just saw, the yellow color could be used for many 3D models and PET-G is a very versatile filament. Choosing our light version will save you a lot of money, especially now because if you buy them in bulk, you can save more and more. For example, if you pick 10 plus spools, you will get them 15% off. And you can combine it with our discount code SpectrumYT10 to get an additional 10% off, giving you a total of 25% discount. So one spool should cost less than 9 euros. Hurry up! Thanks for watching and I hope you just made your decision to buy our filaments. I wish you happy printing and we will see each other in the next episode. Bye bye!